How much for your pineapple?
40,000.
40,000. Wow, made of gold. Go on back. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am hailing you from the beautiful country of Vietnam. Yes, I'm in Vietnam. I got a short holiday, and you know, when I get a short holiday or a holiday, I like to travel. So I'm here not by myself this time. I'm here with a few other friends, and we've just arrived today. One of them is still on the way. But it's tiring. I'm so tired. Like, I woke up from early this morning. I could not even sleep because not because of anxiety. I passed that. It's because I have to wake up to get the cab early, like about 4 a.m. and so forth. So I'm tired. I'm tired bad. But I arrived safely, went for a shower, and now we're heading out to get dinner. So hopefully we can find something delicious Vietnamese traditional food to eat, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? And leave your comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you in advance, of course. And I'm in my hotel room, as you can see here, but I'm tired of showing hotel rooms and whatnot. That's it. It's I have things all over the place, but that's it. It's comfortable enough for me. So come along with me. Bye. Who is that? Who is that? How them people are? How them? Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. She wear a dress, but she dressed up like me. You know, say, look at this. Jeans. Jeans.
So you're the only one that would have jeans.
Yeah.
Sharon, oh God, let me come and see you. Look how long we don't see you.
Tell you. May I tell you, girl. Stacy, they're yonder.
Money exchange.
Oh. So, them are come tell me about them and the bank is the same and they change. Who? 260. 262. Yeah.
And then do
I'll find out the rate first, because I don't know how much is it for $1. Booking office. Okay, so these are some of the attractions they have here. I think this is cool. How much?
find out here and there.
Yeah. Pretty girl. Wait.
This is 3,500.
For what? One? I don't really understand it, but
Let me see. Today at the airport, let me see what was the rate they gave.
so you shall be.
Right?
Yeah.
And then, shit, I see him airport rate. Wait, can we take one picture of the money?
Alright, we're gonna cross back. We found an
Nice pan airline.
Indian. You have to be careful, guys, because you will get hit. You see the tuk-tuk? Oh my gosh. A whole line. Where? This one, yeah? Halal.
Let's try.
Huh? Alish, what?
Indian restaurant.
Alishan.
Oh, well, we can check out the menu first.
So here we got our meal. I ordered the kebab and some fries, as always. She's saying ordered, I don't remember the name, butter chicken, yeah? And some fried rice. What's this? Biryani. Oh, biryani. And Missy over there, she's still waiting on her order. So we're about to enjoy. Oh, and some bread here. When Tracy come, we'll see if this is spicy, so you can get some. So that's it for us. We're waiting on our friend. Oh, she's here. Who is this? Who is this?
Hi. I don't think she know me. Oh, I know. She doesn't know me. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. 20. You know what I like about the guy? She's happy for anybody. I like that. Oh, but you're gonna have to order. You're gonna have to make a quick order.
I can't put it to my mind.
Yes. So we're here enjoying girls trip. You realize? You realize it's all girls.
Oh yeah.
So it's a girls trip. It's a girls trip. Girls trip. So after having our bellies full, we decided to head back to the hotel because it was late at night and we arrived very late in the evening. So we wanted to rest a little and prepare our bodies for the next adventure, which would be the following day. However, we stopped at a salon because we discovered this right across the hotel and we decided to treat ourselves. So I decided to do my nails. They decided to do some face massage or body massage, whatever they did. They went upstairs and did their thing, and I stayed downstairs with Kai, and we did our nails.
Who does she look like? You don't know. She looks similar to all of us.
Me?
How long do we have to wait, or don't need to wait for a long time?
So we just finished eating and now we're about to do some massage. I'm going to be doing my nails and Missy here is going to be chilling with me. Say hi. Very good. So we're here waiting. I'm here waiting on my guy. Yeah, all right.
Is she okay?
Yes.
Yes, maybe. How about Auntie Charlotte? She stay with Auntie
She
Charlotte.
went all right.
Yes. Stay with Auntie Charlotte and you have water.
Oh, they're going upstairs.
High five. Yeah, you stay with Charlotte. Are you gonna cry?
No.
Oh. Take off your jacket. It's so hot, baby. It's hot.
And they don't feel.
Hot, right?
Melon don't feel hot. Which one do you like, Kai? Which one? Which one do you like?
I like green.
Green?
Yeah, green.
Oh Lord, green.
I like green.
This green?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Why do you choose it?
What about these ones up here? Which one up here do you like?
I like purple.
Do you like the purple? Whoa, be careful.
I like whipped cream.
Okay, this one or this one?
This one.
You want to go further and see the others? Red. Ooh, that's too red.
I like this one, polish.
You want this one?
Polish.
Okay.
I like this one, pink.
Oh Lord, that's too pink for me.
This is a pink for me.
That's pink for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Why did you choose this?
Which one? Okay. Between 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I should choose one. I choose.
Choose one. 1, 2, 3.
This one keep.
You like this one as well? It's clear. So this is not gonna work for me. I have to get something that's darker. Darker, yeah. This one?
This one. No, this one.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Why do you choose?
Whatever you say.
Now, why do you choose this?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you choose?
Me? Oh, I will choose this one or this one.
I do choose this one.
This one?
Yeah. I will choose this one.
Okay. All right. All right, I'll choose this one because you say this one, okay?
I say this one.
Okay.
You say this one a little bit. Oh, you see this one. I see this one a little bit.
Where are they? Okay, so we're gonna wait
Okay.
until she returns, and then we're gonna tell her which one we want.
Okay. Read it.
You don't like this one?
I like this one. I give it this. I do.
You like this one as well?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, since you like this one, I'm gonna choose this one.
Oh, yeah.
So we both have a mutual agreement. We're gonna choose this one.
I choose
Okay.
this one. I choose you do this one.
My, you love this one, eh? Hi. Yeah. This one. She chose this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Shua.
I want a little on her. So now I'm about to start my nail thingy. Cheese. We're waiting.
Did you sample?
Hmm?
Why did you sample?
Yeah.
Cheese.
It's a happy day. Good night. I don't want. You're making me loud. You're making me loud. I don't want you to fall. Good Kai getting her nails done. Ooh. Ooh, Kai. Look at that. Beautiful. You like? Do you like it?
Very be careful. Another more.
Wait first, Kai. Wait first. Nice.
And you want to do more? Sorry, another. More, okay?
You should be showing us. Girl, I have no clue. When I read one.
Well, at least enough for me when it asks me, but it's such a turn off. I don't like it. But must have been not used to this doggy there.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Look at those nails. Those are just look at Kai's nails.
Baby.
Come here, Kai.
What is the name of this street, though? I wonder what is the name of this street. Let me find out. Hi. What is the name of this street? No? Alright, he doesn't speak English, so he can't tell me the name of the street, but it's very vibrant. Thursday night. Near the lake. And we just saw 2 huge dead fish. I'll show you a picture. I guess this is something like a night market. Something like a night market. But nobody can tell me the name of the streets. But it's cool. I'm loving it. Oi. So you can get anything you want here. Clothes, food, fruits, anything. What is the name of this street? That no one know. I just asked somebody and they don't know.
And them live here?
They don't speak English. It looks like a night market though. Yeah. No, right? And bikes. I think they said the most bikes are in Vietnam. Not sure how true that is, but there are a lot of bikes. A lot of bikes. And here you can't stand and wait on your turn to cross the road. You just have to cross because nobody's gonna stop for pedestrians. So you just have to walk. But our first night is not so bad. So big, so strong, and you'll find everybody here. Everybody here. And these people trying to figure out the money. How much do you have?
Them the one they
The lady said it's not have no value.
They have $200,000.
Oh, you want me to show you?
They have 200,000. Girl, rich.
That's what the lady was saying. She's
She
like,
walking around with 100. What? Look at this, 200,000.
when I showed her it when you wanted the water, the
that?
money for the water, she's like, no.
This is 200,000.
Maybe $1.
How much for your pineapple?
40,000.
40,000. Wow, made of gold. Go and buy. 40,000, 10 yuan. How much in USD is that? I don't know. Some cents, yeah. What? For the pineapple. Alright, tomorrow. You can come back and buy. When the money exchange place open. So these people prefer to sit down rather than go home and sleep. Literally, no. Let's talk about the people I'm over there. So
Pineapple is sour or fresh. She asked me if I want sour.
Girls, they wanna have fun. Girls, they wanna have fun. Girls, they wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun.
I mean, yeah, I like to go out. I like to dance and get cute, and I like to have fun. I like to just be a girl, you know.
I just wanna hang out in a section with my friends. Take me to Dubai and we can shop around in France. I know he a hoe, but I'ma take a chancy chance. Tell me that it's fat and watch me do my dancey dance. Come and take a pic so I can post it on the gram.
Can we take a group photo in like the group staying in the middle of the road? Single, yes, first. Yeah.